Welcome back to Dr. Technology. 10 years on iPhone, and this is what finally pulled me away, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Even the box feels premium. Let's get into it. Peeling the tape off, lifting the lid, and there she is. Wow, looking so beautiful in sky blue color. Look at this thing. It comes with Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen, comes with 12 and 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB storage. Let's see what comes inside the sleeve. USB-C 3.2 cable, supports DisplayPort as you can connect this to a monitor as well. No charging brick though. Supports 60-watt fast charging, so grab your own adapter. The booklet, warranty, quick guide, the usual. SIM ejection pin. This phone is really thin and weighs about 214 grams only. That matte armor aluminum frame, no fingerprints, feels incredible. And the camera's quad system, 200 megapixel with f1.4 main sensor, 10 megapixels 3x zoom, 50 megapixels 5x periscope telephoto, and 50 megapixel ultra wide. Shoots 8K at 30 frames per second. Absolutely world class stuff. First boot, Samsung logo, Android. She's alive. Running Android 16 with One UI 8.5, and Samsung promises 7 years of updates on this device. After 10 years of the Apple logo, this hits different. Cameras up close, stunning. Power button, volume rocker on the side, clean top, smooth sides and bottom, USB-C, stereo speakers, and that little slot. You know what's in there? But first, 6.9-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 120Hz HDR10 plus 2600 nits peak brightness. And now the S Pen. Let me write something. Dr. Technology, love you. Feels like writing on paper. Pressure sensitivity is insane. If you've never used an S Pen, this moment right here explains everything. Comes with ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, fast and accurate. Home screen on One UI 8.5 is clean and smooth. App drawer, everything crisp at QHD plus resolution. This display is gorgeous. Now, this is the feature that made me leave iPhone. Privacy display. Pulling down quick panel, extended privacy on. See that slight tint? Watch when I rotate. Boom. Nobody besides you can see a thing.